To download WhatsApp on your Android phone, you'll first want to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. On this Samsung phone, I don't see it on my home screen, so I'll swipe up to reveal all my apps and then swipe between pages here to locate the Play Store. The Play Store is your marketplace for all apps, and you need a Google account to use it. If you've logged into a Google account on your phone, you're all set. If not, it'll ask you to sign in, and you can use any Gmail account to log in. You'll see top charts and app suggestions, and if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always type and search for it. Needless to say, you need to have either Wi-Fi or cellular data connection to download apps on your phone. I'll search for WhatsApp, and there it is. Then tap Install, and the app will download on your phone. This will take a minute depending on your internet speed and on the size of the app you're downloading. Once finished, you can open WhatsApp directly from here. Or if you go back to your app gallery, you'll see the green WhatsApp icon. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a look at my Android playlist for more simple guides like this.